Let 2022 be the year you are going to ramp up your digital marketing skills. Okay, there has never been a best time for you to get new digital marketing skill or to brush up the ones you already have, because at the moment, individuals or persons with good digital marketing skills are high in demand. Companies are ready to pay you 6 figures, 7 figures for you to handle one digital marketing aspect of their business or the other. I still remain Francis S, and welcome back to my channel where I teach you everything that you need to know about making money online, and also every other thing that is appended to making money online. Okay, so you can have a very good life and enjoy yourself. And if this is your first time of coming to this channel, you are highly welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, I thank you so much, and you're also welcome. And I would indulge you to like this video, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon so that whenever I drop hot content like this about making money online, you will be among the first to be notified. Okay, and if you are generous enough, you could actually share this video to your friends if you've gotten lots and lots of value from it. Okay, so nowadays it's no longer news that you don't need to pay a huge sum of money, trying to do MBA and specialize in digital marketing. There are resources everywhere online where you can get lots and lots of courses, okay, about digital marketing and everything, attached to digital marketing. And whether you are trying to look for a particular area of specialization, when it comes to digital marketing, or you're trying to get general knowledge about digital marketing, there are free courses with certifications out there. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you 8 websites and about 8 courses or 9 courses that are free under digital marketing. And also, when you do these courses online, it takes you from several hours to several days to complete them. You get free certification. Okay, so whether you are first-time marketer or a beginner, or you're a small business owner, or you are already an experienced digital marketer, the list of courses I'm going to give you in this video and the list of websites I'm going to give you in this video, you could actually find wonderful content and information to brush up your skill or to get started with digital marketing. Okay, so for beginners, what actually is digital marketing? Digital marketing is just that component of marketing whereby we use online-based technologies, something like your phone, your smartphones, your laptop, your desktop, and also we use online media like the social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and YouTube, and all that to make our brand or our business known, and also to show targeted audience our products and our services. Okay, so digital marketing is any kind of marketing that is done on the internet space without having to meet your prospect or your future clients one-on-one. Okay, so what are those skills or digital marketing skills that you can actually acquire, which will put you on the advantage, and also you could also get free certification once you complete them, and you can actually make good money over time with these skills? Let me list out some of the skills. Number 1 is social media marketing, very wonderful skill. Mobile marketing, content marketing, email marketing, advertising and analytics, lead nurturing. These are skills that big companies are looking out for in persons that can actually provide this service, and they are willing to pay you huge amounts of money. It doesn't stop there. Blogging is also another digital marketing skill. SEO, search engine optimization, SEM, search engine marketing, growth hacking, advanced branding, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, social media advertising, digital asset optimization, and even keyword research. These are wonderful skills that if you have them as an individual, be it a beginner or an advanced marketer, trust me, you're going to make lots and lots of money for yourself. That's one thing I like about digital marketing. You can actually use the skills to make money for yourself, or you can actually work for an organization. Okay, so the next one is, I'm going to give you the list of courses, about 8 to 9 courses, and the website, okay, where you can actually get these courses, the name of the courses, the website. And once you complete these courses, you get free. The course is free in the first place. The certificates are also free. Okay, so the first one is Google Digital Garage. You could simply go to learndigital.withgoogle.com, and the course they offer for free with free certification is Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. Okay, the next one is HubSpot Academy. You can actually check it out on www.academy.hubspot.com, and the course they offer is Inbound Marketing Certification course. Very, very high value courses and is free. And the certification is also free. So the third one is Allison, www.allison.com. Okay, and the course they offer is Diploma in E-Business, very quality e-course. Okay, the next one is LinkedIn Learning, and the course, the digital marketing course they offer is, become an online marketing manager. Very powerful course with loads and loads of content. Okay, and the next website is EDX. You could actually go to edx.org, not .com, .org. And the course they offer is that they actually offer two courses which are listed in this video. The first one is Digital Marketing Strategy, and they offer this course in affiliation with University of Edinburgh. Okay, the next course offered by EDX also is Digital Strategy and Action, which they offer with affiliation in affiliation with Babson College. Okay, that's another. These two are another wonderful digital marketing courses that you need, be it as a beginner or as an advanced digital marketer. Then the next website is Coursera. You can go to coursera.org, and the course they offer is Digital Media Marketing Strategies. Okay, another wonderful course. The next one is on Skillshare. You could actually go to skillshare.com to find this course, and the name of the course is Quick Tips and Tricks to Learn Digital Marketing, okay, in no time. So this is another wonderful course for someone that wants to brush up his or her digital marketing skill, or a new beginner that wants to get an overview of what everything about digital marketing is all about. Then the last but not the least, though in this video is the last on our list, is Copy Blogger. The website Copy Blogger. They also offer very wonderful digital marketing course by the name Internet Marketing for Smart People. So if you feel like you are smart and others are not smart, you could actually start with this course, okay? And that's the last on our list. So you could actually head on to these 8 websites. You already have the website's name, you already have the courses. You could actually start with any of them, and on completion of the courses, after you must have go through the course, pass the exams, go through the requirements of completion, you get free certification at the end of your course. Okay, so if you are looking out for digital marketing skills to acquire, or you are a digital marketer who want to brush up your skill, of which is highly important for you to keep updating the information you have up there about digital marketing, because it's a digital world and things change every now and then. Few days ago, it was Elon Musk got Twitter, and the moment they are done with the paperwork and all the finalization, new things start coming up on Twitter, new opportunities, new avenues of advertising will come up, and things keep changing. So the way we do Twitter adverts in the past 5 years, 3 years, 2 years, it's not going, even last year, it's not going to be the same way we are going to continue doing adverts on Twitter. So whether you're an expert in digital marketing, is quite advisable for you to keep updating your skills or the information that you have. Okay, and these 9 courses from these 8 different websites are good enough for you to update your information and also be a good or a better digital marketer. So thank you for being with me up to this moment, and if you are yet to like this video, I will indulge you to like, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon, so that whenever I drop information like this on how to make money online, you will be among the first to be notified. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.